Could you actually take us through, like, do you have any cursor workflows? Could you take us through, because you showcased cursor earlier? Like, is there
What do
anything
you
in
mean
cursor?
by workflow exactly?
Like, for instance, is there any specific cursor rules or any kind of prompting strategies that you use within cursor you could showcase as well to persons? Like, how you
Yeah,
got this working?
I always use roles. So,
Hmm. Take us through, like, what is, like, what is this?
so the cursor rule is basically guidelines that the AI can reference in order to not generate garbage code. Make sure it's maintainable at least a little bit. So you can specify certain stuff that you would want it to always do. For example, think of security. Um, Make sure it doesn't repeat itself. So you instead of repeating a variable multiple times or repeating a text multiple times, it would put in a variable. It would organize the files properly. So right here, it's mainly just convex stuff. So convex is the database that I'm using.
Yeah.
So we have stuff like how to generate a schema,
Hmm.
an internal mutation, basically a function inside of convex.
Yeah. And when you say function, could you explain to the viewers what function is for those who are non-technical?
Uh, how would I how would I even explain that?
Very good. That's actually a good question. Like, we know what it is, but it's like to talk to like my mom about that. It's like, hmm. So like, if I was to talk to my dad or my mom about what a function is, I'd say it's like a chunk of reusable code.
All right,
Yeah, I'd say it's more about. But
all
I'm
right.
loving it. Your rule is massive, by the way, my guy. I must admit.
Yeah, it's actually from convex.
Oh, it's
It's
from Congress themselves.
yeah.
Oh, okay.
So since convex is relatively new, then the models haven't been trained on it a lot. So this would help them. So
Yeah,
you have to take that into consideration. So basically, React would be the AIs would do very good on React.
for sure.
By React, I mean the framework.
Hmm.
Coding with React would be very easy. If I were to use something else like Svelte, um, Angular, Vue, the models would be so trained on React that on next and also Next.js that it would try to write those code in even though I'm using a different framework.
Really? That's what you found in your experience?
Yeah, so
Wow, that's
that's
good.
also one reason for the rules that I have. So the AI actually know what I want. A little bit
Hmm.
at least.
Yeah. Because I mean, these models largely is just really fancy autocomplete. They don't have any thinking or reasoning. We have
Right.
to kind of, it's the reason why we even have to prompt them in the first place, right? So okay, okay, bro, that's just sick. Yeah, that's the cursor view right here.
I guess I can try to find an example of how I use cursor.
Yeah, I would love to showcase that to persons because it's funny. Like the other day, I was speaking to a guy who's experimenting in code, and I was telling him about Cursor. He's like, "Yo, there's no way there's a tool that you can use and get full production code." And it's like, look, we have Docker for AI now, don't we? So yeah, if you could showcase, how Cursor was able to, you know, take a modification you wanted to make or a debugging situation, like an error happened or something. You could just show us.